Welcome to the fascinating world of deep learning. Discover the incredible potential of artificial intelligence as machines learn, perceive, and create. From automated feature extraction to complex neural architectures, deep learning revolutionizes industries and unlock new potentials. So, let's start this exciting journey into the future of intelligence. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll be looking into Introduction to Deep Learning. This is the very first video of Deep Learning playlist, so let's start with the definition. So, Deep Learning is a type of machine learning and artificial intelligence that imitates the way humans gain certain type of knowledge. As you all know, we learn many things daily. Whenever we see any new thing, we first try to analyze it, how it works. Let's say you want to drive a car and you don't know how to drive it. So first thing you will do is you will try to learn it. You will hire a driving instructor. You will understand and follow all the instructions that are given by the driver. No doubt you will commit hundreds of mistakes, but you don't stop learning it. You will try to analyze mistakes that you have done and you will avoid doing it in future. Which is nothing but you learn from your mistakes and finally you gain certain type of knowledge. Similarly, deep learning is kind of a mechanism through which we can make machines to learn something the same way as human learns. So I hope the definition of deep learning is clear to you all. Now, it is said that deep learning is a subset of ML, that is machine learning, and AI, which is artificial intelligence. Deep learning is considered to be a subset of AI because it plays a significant role in advancing the capabilities of artificial intelligence systems. And deep learning is considered to be a subset of machine learning because it uses machine learning techniques as well as algorithms as its foundation. Deep learning models are a specific type of ML models that are built using artificial neural networks with multiple layers. Don't worry, even if you are not aware of some of the heavy terms that I have used, we are going to do all of it one by one in the playlist. So to summarize, deep learning is considered to be a subset of ML and AI because it uses techniques and algorithms from machine learning to build deep neural networks, which are a key component of artificial intelligence systems. So I hope that at least you have got an idea that where deep learning stands in artificial intelligence domain. Now that you have got an idea, let's have a look at a little detailed overview of what deep learning is. So deep learning uses the concept of layers to successively extract the features from input. Now an input can be any type of data. It can be text, image, or it can be numbers. Now the goal is to analyze this data with the help of features that are residing inside it. Features are nothing but the points that describes a particular data. Let's say the data is of an image which consists of triangle. So feature of that particular triangle would be the triangle has 3 sides, it has 3 corners. Now in deep learning, these features are automatically extracted with the concept of layers, and the layers are represented by this particular figure. So you can call the vertical columns as layers. Here you have 4 layers. The very first layer is input layer, which is nothing but the raw form of data, and the last layer is called as output layer, which is nothing but the result that we obtain from the output data. And all the layers which comes in between the input and the output layer are called as hidden layer. Here we have 2 hidden layers. This is the first hidden layer and next to it is the second hidden layer. These hidden layers are responsible for extracting the features automatically in neural networks. That means, let's say if we give the image of a triangle as an input to this particular neural network, so the first hidden layer will try to capture the simple features from that particular figure. The next hidden layer will try to capture the complex features, and subsequently it goes on. More hidden layers are to be added when complex structures are present. Now that was just an overview of mechanism that deep learning uses. Here now we'll look into the automated feature extraction mechanism that deep learning uses with the help of an example. This example will clear all your doubts. Let's say we want to detect whether it is a car or a bike from image as an input. So, without the concept of deep learning, how it was done, let's see that first. Obviously, it was done with the help of machine learning. So, for extracting the useful features from that particular image of car or a bike, we will have to manually extract it with the help of the techniques like histogram of oriented gradients, that is called as HOG, or some other technique like scale invariant feature transform, that is SIFT. So all these techniques were used to manually extract the feature. There was no mechanism in machine learning to automatically extract the features, that is nothing but the qualities that defines any particular object. And that was a very challenging task. It was literally time consuming as well as the accuracy rate was less. And when the data was complex, then in that case, machine learning failed to do that. And therefore, the mechanism of neural networks in deep learning came into picture. So basically, let's take this simple 4-layered neural network, and here, as I said, the first layer is the input layer. So the image will be given as an input, and as I said that the layers other than input and the output layer are called as hidden layer. Here we have two hidden layers. The first hidden layer will try to extract the simple features like edges, curves, etc. It will capture all the simple details regarding the car and bike. Now these extracted simple features will be taken forwarded to the next hidden layer, and in this particular layer it will extract complex features like shape, texture, etc. Now how it is done, don't worry about that. We'll look into the mathematical intuition of it in detail in the upcoming videos. But for now, just understand how the features are getting extracted. It is starting from very simple features, and as the layers goes on, it try to capture the complex features from it. And finally in the output layer we'll get the detection whether the image contains car or a bike. So I hope you have got an idea that why feature extraction is not required here. It automatically extracts the feature unlike machine learning. So now let's try to answer a very popular question, that why deep learning is becoming more and more popular nowadays. Till now, after watching the overview, you might have got an idea that why deep learning is becoming popular, but let's have a look at detailed answer of it. So the first point where deep learning excels is in complex data handling. Deep learning performs very well with unstructured data, which means the data which is not ready with its detailed description of all the features that it has. For example, images, audio, video. So, deep learning performs well with this complex data also, and therefore, deep learning is becoming popular. That was just the first point. The next point is feature extraction. As we have already seen an example that deep learning automates feature extraction, and that too it is meaningful. It extracts meaningful features from the unstructured data automatically. We don't have to apply manual methods like what we were doing in machine learning. And that is why deep learning is becoming popular. The next point is the most important point that is to be noted for sure. It says that deep learning provides state-of-the-art performance, which means that it achieves the highest or most advanced level of performance on a particular task or problem at a given time. In the context of machine learning and deep learning, it means that a model or an algorithm has achieved the best known performance or accuracy on a specific benchmark or a dataset, surpassing the previous methods or approaches. And that is why deep learning is becoming more and more popular. Now, when a large massive big data is given to the machine for processing and modeling it, then in that particular case also deep learning works the best, because deep learning runs on a mechanism that it will work the best only when more and more data is provided to it, and therefore it is useful in large scale data, and that is why deep learning is becoming more and more popular. The next point says that deep learning is flexible and adaptable because it can automatically learn representations of data, scale effectively to handle large datasets, transfer knowledge to new tasks, as well as accommodate various architectural design. And one important thing is that it learns incrementally over time. So it is flexible and adaptable, and that is why deep learning is becoming more and more popular. And it's not like all the researches has been done on deep learning. Deep learning is very vast, that hundreds of researches are ongoing, and it leads to the continual advancement of the entire deep learning domain. So a lot more to get, a lot more to learn, and that is why deep learning is becoming more and more popular. And last but not the least, deep learning has future potentials. Deep learning drives the AI advancements in various domains. It is done by leveraging deep neural networks, large datasets, and complex data processing to achieve breakthroughs in computer vision, natural language processing, and AI applications, making it fundamental pillar of cutting-edge AI technology. So, aren't all these points sufficient for anything to become popular? Of course, it is sufficient, and that is why deep learning is experiencing a surge in popularity and widespread adoption. I hope every single concept that I have taught in this particular video is clear to you all. If you guys have any single doubt, then you can straight away put it in the comment section. I will be very much happy to solve all your doubts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do a favor on me by sharing this video with all your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button if you really like this video. Also hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I come online you will be notified. Post your reviews and suggestions regarding this video and what you want in upcoming videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day ahead.